are one of the potential products you can sell as a digital products as a complete beginner guys online, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So here are a couple of logos I've just created using the power of AI tools, and you can see in a matter of seconds you're going to create all of this, and I'm going to show you how you can prompt AI to create something like this, which is really simple. You can see they are pretty good logos, and let's see how you can use AI. Well, the first thing is you should use the AI. Maybe you can use the Gemini AI, you can use the ChatGPT, you can use any other free AI tools, which is going to help you to generate such kind of the ideas for you to create amazing creative logos, guys. So I'm going to use the Gemini AI. As you can see here, I've just write this prompt here, and you can see the results was amazing. And these are the logos that I've shown you in the picture in a couple of seconds back, guys. So you can see here is really amazing, and I have a template here. If you want, I can just put it the link of it in the description down below. You can see you can have a template like this one here, professional logo. Maybe you're gonna put the type of the logo, maybe industry or niche you want to create for a specific logo, maybe a brand name. If you have kind of the style and stuff like that, maybe you want to use a symbol, and we should be very creative in terms of colors, a background, because after you've created your logo, you should maybe remove kind of the background stuff of that. So to make it simple, you should be very careful to put the AI so that the things can be quite as simple as you create your logo. So you can see here types of the example. You can see here if you want to create a tech brand logo, you can use something like this as an example. If you want to create maybe a real estate or a finance company logo, you can use like a prompt like this, which is really simple, and you should make sure that your logo is quite simple and creative and stuff like that. Be simple and be unique. So these are kind of the example, and I'm gonna put the link of this template here, prompt template in the description down below, guys. So after you have created your logo, as I've shown you, like these ones here. So maybe if you want to remove the background, is one of the important thing. Maybe you want to scale your logo, maybe you want to convert to SVG, because you all know that for those who are not using it in terms of social medias, you should do some kind of the conversion. You should maybe convert from the PNG or GPG to SVG or AI file extension. So to do so is really simple, because you can use the Adobe Express to do so, because with Adobe you can remove the background, but also you can resize your image. It's really simple. You just come here and download and upload your logo image. But also, if you want to convert to SVG, there is option in Adobe Express as well. You can just come here and you can convert your PNG or GPG image to SVG. Is really simple. And maybe so when it comes to monetize your logo, so you can use different platforms. You can use platforms like Etsy, you can use maybe Fiverr, you can use Upwork, you can use 99 Design, but I suggest that you use social media to make sure that you get an amazing reach of the different people. So because we all know that there is a huge group of customers on social media, so you should make sure that you promote your business on social media, guys. You should not rely on only a single platform. You should maybe diversify your marketing strategy. So you can use the social media to make sure that you grow fast. I can see these kind of people here are making a good amount of money, guys, here as a side hustle. So it's really and the simple business, a business you can do for a complete beginner, guys. And if you want me to come up with the much more detail about this kind of business, do let me know in the comment down below. And this is all about this one here. Take care.